Hello, everybody. Good afternoon, everybody. Good afternoon, good afternoon, good afternoon. It's a quick one because I'm going back to sleep. Going back to bed. I'm going back to sleep or whatever. Moonlight. Obokba man I boss here one day. I beg. I don't want to add you join the one where I did so. You know, get priceless already. Bye bye 12. More one. It 12 adaze. La wo wagun egwe mu lati gun igari e ba na ya isa to ari e mu lati enya mu e eti ma oni mu so azen ato ari is my problem, not any other nyama people. Moonlight ayo opofo na your where you take tag me na first you can never block you. Come, let me tell you. You see whether I see finish? No, I not see you finish. You senior me, no that. The problem I have with you is that you are confused as a blogger. Every other person not talk for this video. They talk. How dare you go and listen to yourself? On one banner. Oh, wait me. Uwe me sure get me worry. Oh yeah? He me apologize. Oh yeah? Because say waiting. Do you know Infinity? Are you okay? As you then I can't say I know your husband. I don't understand you. Mommy Oshodi, Mommy Princess and Ijenoge. Pretty good. Mommy wa yore na. Because he married like a my TV say. You don't hear me. You see winner. Again, balala quick be my TV. I no get issue with you, Baba. No, I no get issue with you. Believe me. I no get issue with you. I don't get issue with you. My major issue on this thing, this whole thing on ground, is not to win. Believe me, I don't fight to say win or no win. It's just for people to hear me and hear me well. Because why? Now me wear my shoe. Now me know where they pay me. We never even reach there, no gay. We're relaxed. We're relaxed. Are you getting it? As grown as I am, may I out down and tell me, oh, the only person I feel for here right now is Mr. Solomon, because the abuse, the humiliation, his pictures dragging up and down, people forgot so like this man is married with kids. The trauma is too much. Emotional torture is too much. It's too much. Now that one, anyway. Now Moonlight carry me con. Moonlight, you have every right to speak on this issue. You have 101 right. It's on media. Even most the first time when Frank Victor talk, Frank Victor give me woto. I collect her. I go learn for inside. They no give me and they no give battle for WhatsApp. And they shout on top of my voice. I later realize, no. It's too much. Are you getting it? Mama Costas go carry no get right up. You can't put on for my face. It's all good. Are you get? We all have right to our opinion. They say you that thing will come out for your mouth. I have don't tip for our. Ukawe video beg have you we was on and of your and all that. Who were you mail a medive lemoa? Do am I a content creator? Who were you mail a medive lemoa? We no make we wa give a cyberspace now. I don't get you. So I don't turn or provoking them Moonlight. Don't ever. I repeat, you no tie. Not be see finish. Don't. I dare you. Who were dimension make now no apology now no go back to area. Obi go back to area you are. You may apology na to area. Oh, Moonlight wo me for. Who wa ge mo bi okan. Right? Because a problem here. Because I mwen yon ma yeto. I pet. I si look mo yegbe. Ike do tota. Ni do atori. It's all good. Everything we me wo jisi ni to we do ya gwa there. Tina blog ni je uwese je nugi. They see your comment. Thank you, mommy. Mommy osade bane adazo je uwese on your doma one of them ni. Okpo ni je uwese kakabo. And again, epa ibizu gbena daze uwese pa uwese. Hi obo oh baba o obo no pede buge. Waya wese kakabo. So moonlight, you have rights, like as I said. It does not affect me. Me ma bege mi water. Iwada imeruwa. Me atu know where I don't wash. Iwuwa. Ni ma re. Ya ri imwejo. Ya re really me isun ahin oke wa nipa. Ya re yore iwe lawe bet ade ye one. Ni ma ti re iyan wa me re me. Mommy osade me choice come mama la weze. Ya re la se fe na twe wan ni wo wa. Ni mu gbinu wa ya wa wese. Keni je o keni majere asunu ye ni wa ya wese. Kate ewa ni ye wata. E abo kwo ebu. No mi wata ya kin wa doge ba me prove evidence. Betinya ga mi kokon ya ti ororo. Everybody have right. You can yo ya kin yin. Igbina fo banya. Ni mi o ma tuwe. Mezuo. So moonlight, stay away from me like as I said before. Any of my matter on social media. Do your analysis. Blog your blog. Present whatsoever you want to present. But don't even if I want to beg anybody. Moonlight la regun egwu. Or waro won yon igbu. Bete e baba. Or waro won yon igbu. When we all look on the because we go agbeso. Ewu ege na ya gun ajene. Ado ave gun is always off point. Monica, they feed you, not they feed me. If Infinity, they control your page. Both Infinity and the page, and I mean they control two of them. How dare you? What's your problem? When you may I in at where, you may sure making apologize that way. Yeah, Asaboro go and check away. It's not that Infinity. Any who I am going. Yes, we travel, we have Italy. That's why they can unu gba blog we wo na ro ye ge na bana we nu ti ejo lady onu we din ara pa bobo epe ni gbu wa mufu wa na ro pa agbon ya zuo atiti me gbogbo ejo to no ya wa mo la claro si titi la o si obowo o we nu we wa ta we ra baba omo ire ye wo la o si obowo si o atiti reduce the volume o titi la wo la imawe atiti be lover uwese ra le logi uwese kakabo. So moonlight ina ma egbe na ma tebe no we gbe ma gbe na mi egbe re do we aye to egbe market me na se meni e idere gbe ta imawe nu ka ta na nu ya drop ore wa no count in when bet e dream e idere gbe ta ku we ka to are odo hin mi mere te ariota and make sure apology ni ade wa de ba to imana me video apology we imana me video I'm sorry we they will come for you. It is your function. God bless you, Chichi. Imana me apology to Asaboro, then I will come for you. So anytime soon, get ready. It is your behave. And they tolerate. It wasn't me. I hate people where they behave like Age Baba. Now if you na Monica ask girl, me be Monica ask girl for there. I go tell me say me go apologize to Atwari. Asuna. Asu. For how many years where Atwari daughter insult me for this cyberspace? You don't ever say this lady called Moonlight. Don't ever on her camera say her lady or Asaboro. How many of them don't ever? Not only few of my friends, somebody like a Nogie, Fran Victor. Yes, Fran Victor does ask me privately. Say, where Atwari me? He marry anyway. I don't open up to anybody. Anyway. But I not for one day tell anybody. You know, I worry na go here diagmova. They move like because they tell me say I just say I no apologize. To una as what? Eh? Now one blogger away they blog Mary and Lemon for them. Whether it is in a content that they do, I don't know. Not be prank. It's not a prank. It's not a content. To move like lao. Why did I do me? Lao. Money move by lao. But I will come for you. When I need this apology, when the time for apology come, you not call give me, I will come for you. That one for sure. Because one apology, you have to start it. Don't be a person of do what I say, don't do what I do. No, you have to start it. If you not start it, now then you get problem with me. You will first start the apology on behalf of Atuari. If you not start on behalf of Atuari, you will hear from me while they tell you, my friend. Oh. So no this and no peace. Go and get ready. Go and get ready. This is not a matter of Lemon and Mary. Go and get ready. This is cyberspace. I hardly come for people. Yes, I go ignore her for now, sweet Lisa. For now, she's been ignored. But after all said and done, when victory is finally sure, she need to start apology. And she go dey do on behalf of Atuari. She have to say on behalf of her lady Monica. She have come to say, Asaboro, lo and behold, we are sorry. On behalf of Infinity Saga, both the one where she know and the one she don't know. She have come to say, oh, she's sorry. Yes, she'll get problem with me, oh. Because of page. Do you know Infinity? What do you know? What do you know? What do you know? Now where they are? What do you know? What do you know? Every time, God bless you, Willa. Every time. Wait till moonlight. No, you near gates. Eh? The reason why I don't answer many of them. None of them enter inside. Moonlight, you are here. Please and please. In your video with my lady. Where they see finish, you know. See finish. And no kunu where they malake. Everybody is saying their own different opinion. Do you see I've ever attacked anybody? No. But the words out of your mouth is so annoying and provoking. How dare you say this? Make sure make him apologize to Atuari as soon as your supreme mother. Do you know what Atuari have constituted this those cyberspace? Lare mulatini me no where direct. Atuari kero vi me uwe travel where Italy abu where cyberspace na uga honkwe meri lemo. Are you for it? Unu gba where ya get total nu we blogging nu ka me where your lady your ije kine won kwa no da fun eye passport ya si Morocco ona ya we resla again aga Asaboro si obowo won me no we na I put it before you moonlight moonlight in no water. Money can have all right to talk. Everybody they talk and wear the way they are mad, they are sensitive. You want cost me. Who say my enemy they crazy? Okay, no problem. It's all good. How you say where that thing for come out for your man raise that opinion? Like the great apologize be Monica. Hey Monica. Boy and Monica my friend Moonlight don't make me come for you. I swear to God. Don't ever. My friend they will leave us. Me will ya. Monica no what tota. Why am I bored? Why go I said what be Monica. Me Monica hebo. Monica hebo. Moonlight be careful. Be careful. Obok pa man ya boss yon de be careful. No gwani bwendo yon be who we Monica. Cause Monica va on okpolu wunigi. Be careful. Be careful. Oh na ya gwan no one attack okay, it's normal, it's okay. The way me we see Mary on we banana. Kenoro we make creative mo me yakin. How dare you raise the motive of saying I think I will come and say I apologize. apology ogbe Monica gba to ari gbe oye do polo gbe lo veti nu gba egbogban na ori ago gba ma jala gbe ara ne no ma gbo jojo o pe ani ku emu no go kin de le dido adobo mi wu to wa be tell it to the world the way ozwo no wa ta me wa gwa toni o ma gwa ta me we ijwe o no da fon we ta na reru wa ona we get as be publicly wa ya ga the camera yo ni wa ya gi o ewo wa o ninu apa abobo o nwa gboyeje o ga we ye ko wa we na no nwa ma pu ewi agbuzo gbe nita o ma si e ko ya si onisa na wa be ye wa bagun no jun bi e ku finity sa ibu wa de so imagine we gwan ye na my lady you have all right that motive of apology is the better. Wow, you guys owe me apology a lot, and you are going to start it because you started this apology of a thing. Walking soon, woman soon, then you will have problem with me. Me and you will get problem. Seriously. If I finish with a co better, I will come for you. When I'm done, because I saw Bobo na to ale le deken. Wayari e body. And to aswa to this away body. I will bring you in. Yes, you want to vex me for the matter because now you raise the motion of apology. How many people you don't see say talk apology? How many? You don't see wait talk say apology. I bet this one be the first video where you do. You say I complain for the first one. Just I look and listen, I pass, I take sleep. You know, you know Infinity? No, even the fake one, so you know. How you feel that they carry your picture, carry your husband picture, take the poloto. The man not get wife. But you don't know now they talk. What the person don't know me for years, me want to do tafia. My people know me. And when yata, yeah, be telling way. I remember so when not aje neboti allegedly. If a safe if a guy one on or my day my people know if I did lie. My people know if I did talk truth. Those are my people. They are my armies. You know Infinity. Who you know? Even the solo you know. Even this Mr. Solomon won't they blow up and down. So do you know him? No. Etafia wayaje. I agree. Better be telling when I news who be tearing a headline. Don't be so sure of yourself. Don't be full of yourself and be telling me where Asaboro where hearing his apology. Like seriously, who does that? You know, you're get where 50,000 naira no ya women say we me. Joy, for don't pull out for you, and for don't change out for you. Don't try am again. Blog. Talk what you want to talk. Anything concern apology. Now can't give me apology when the time come. And you go start her. If you not do on behalf of Factory, you will hate me. Oh. You go just hate me. Eh? They tell you my man, you will hate me. I never see that one. I just block Susie. I just block her. I block that one. When I dey hear say see what she talk, I just pull her for phone. I block her. No one see her. They feel me so. But Moonlight na person way near me. She call me. No, she not call me. That make her invest me. That be the difference between Moonlight and Susie. As for Susie, make that my your day a day. May your day a day. May day well. I don't feel follow everybody fight for now. They feel me so. You select your battle. Because if I follow everybody fight, I go lose balance. I go lose concentration. Now that one be their aim. May come be like say my enemy decrease. I know decrease. My head correct. So who wrote me that? Who wrote that question? That comment. So now in concern, I choose who to answer. I choose who not to answer, and I block instantly. But I never say block Mula because na person where I get soft spot for. How many Infinity you know? How many Infinity you know? Now me concern. You don't carry your husband come for. You don't carry your husband where you born for. Where he marry you. You don't carry according to social media. Not behind the cover face you the cover. You don't carry uncle. What you want make me carry my uncle for? You can't do waiting. As who now? As my mother or my papa or my siblings. Why? Why can I come for you? Say this is the Infinity. What you want is that? You know. Which Infinity you know? Both the fake and the real. You don't know anyone. And take it or leave. We have one Infinity. Infinity not be two. Solo is a cover up for them. Solo was once a member of GPC. Ya whoever one. Ya jai. Ya wunwe gwe. If you not really me otamo bukan. Ne solo ya babagbon. So it's so painful. He has never been Infinity. He was never Infinity. Infinity for enemy, Infinity enemy, Infinity. You're worried here. What do you mean? So anyhow, na take talk, it is social media. One person not fit correct everybody. More na talk and but me know the infinity way me they talk, na the infinity way Monica know. The rest of una can be doing your normal work. Facebook na workshop now. Tell me say whether I tell the thing I carry a con. You don't carry your husband con. If you carry your husband con, I go carry my con. The picture won't until they do anniversary. Not be don't marry. You just snap new picture. Me you put on for us. Say this is your husband. Not be old picture until they celebrate your anniversary. Who were what? Your way you marry officially. Where's Sumana Mure? May you carry your husband come. You carry your mother-in-law Jonah. May we know them. Why you they hide then they go? If not because of this stray bullet. Not be you I go feel beat. Now your own day because you near me, that make me they talk to you like this. You call me, I will say I still see your missed call for phone saying I may not pick. I say okay, I may not take Seba. I go leave voice for you, or I go just walk up as you come and call and tell me say me sure give me here apology. Apology me no Azza mama 60 billion. I dazok ni no go West CJ. Mama love you. I talk way. Mommy, I don't fight with anybody. I don't pay me because na person way near me. She dey error sometimes. The thing they vex me. I should say whether me sure say me no go do apology. To who na? Who be Monica? Who be Monica? I greet everybody. Mommy, Martin and Asaboro. Where Boko purity blows down? Where worry? On your demonic cover, me away my boyfriend as a email. That me got a boyfriend. He has a one as well. So Monica, my way the husband. I not be small picking. Me get sense so. I don't say me get sense. There are so many ways to buy rat. Oh, fe Monica. Oh, fe na rat. No. Oh no, my body. Ne bogbo hufwa. Give me maybe mugbe. That was so we friend there. A Willie Versace. Why go akani? Any yeki one one yeki one or the yeki de go here. Yeki no why yoko why yeki no that phone ye passport is in Morocco. Yeki no that phone they did do go can why ya go me go tegele ave mani so ave mabuli. Why beg on yata? Waga is why ya gear why ya ti jini disgrace sinahina. Waga tame wagbuwa pejuwa disappear. Wagi wagwan iya manya wa. Eta here ye buwa with the ariota. Do you know how long I have tolerated Monica? Do you know? Wana maje megaza mama. Even when they ya gwa le pishu wa water for December. What's an agboma boya mana begeva? What's here? What's here? Where is the way make I marry or remain officially do imuke mugwe? One woman at all we marry the fee. Every and we tama son must say, no what son as I tell you so no good me I go on for Sabele. I don't feel all join as this one where I take home Monica. I have heard Monica's off for so long. Do you know what is called accumulated anger? Do you know what is called accumulated anger? Why beg I worry me? Why not that way? Well, again, where worry? If no man save your body caro you give about we have a if you know my saving, also a bad boy on Huba. Why no we get away? Why no? Oh, quo so 1940 on a fear with ye. Eji, Maria Negmata, General, Mana, know that I don't want on your job. Emma, we got Mommy Jasper. Thank you, Ijeno Gay. I talk way. Westy. Why, Westy, you guys who got me, and 7 yapon wahia. Keni fi yo no ma keni ma fi yo no ma mo láti fi wèrè we ma apology ni mo e fwa ita ma we gui won betere ase wa kan apology ma wo ko da wo kan wa so mo e wo ka lo to apology wo mana iko da ba ni opa ma we na me gbeso but for now wa ya we se wa rire ya gun ayo e wa we se o ma beti ime me a ogbanu me ije me go da me wan iyo me mi e we ji o we se kakabo wa we se wa ayopa o manu wa ye va manu wa okwe gbu wa mo wa we se ngwa ma bon we gbuwa mo wa we se no ku wa kian to wa ga lo efe nu wa ku kian to bu wa la no bi ma la to ari na we no sun wu na ga to ari no be to polo we no ya mo e bori o ga mo e bo egon ri na mo mi ni ho ri o ga gba to ari oga we mweni hore oga ye gba twari dan so pa ma we gele we I gele hu e Willy Versace hon e ba o iga he Willy Versace ba o da wa twai no be e dokpolo oga mane odi eke ga mane ni me ni e owede me de ge yen kwe o ni me ma o mu la moru iga gele lo be ke Willy ke bo ni a twari hin ya mure o dia mi a o mi ge ya mwere o ima e Willy de ima e so obode ima e twe Willy de iba boga la Monica gbe oga twari oga owa oga gbe kwa oga deri eke dego ki ebu ebu wa emi ete won ya mu emi social media na soto o titi kwa bokoro oga owa wa ma sono bi no maro ebe oga kian ebe akporo edinu de o da fun kian agwale soro kana kun dido ge o no mi akun yuhe oga owa oga yun bi ekwe dido edere atwari ga dewu edere kian he dido he atwari okwu ọba nọ zuo no me no meme no oku di de yokere iga twari odo dewu na ma iba boga la gwa twari gbe o deni block we bai u ga gbe o irun da twari change mat agwa be ya twari wa abu wa vasal wa iwa twari no twari ato wa be go ni ebi ya no torat wa gbe o ga papa no ruwa o mi boya alahin wo are mo ni zuwa o me da won ide ansara mo mi Gabriel no ansara don block yet come for there twari no zuwa atwari wa ga jero poro ka to ge go da fin o mu yen la webo ama fi pa na re gbiwe ge Amsterdam wa na gbigbi ag o me dan shi e wo ni yeje abozuwa wa dan me wa iwa ro ye won wiki egbe nuke ka me wa gbon oga ebo webo we ewia o meme atwari wabo o mana bia na he ni ge twari agbon oge no na mi na twa egiagia ivie adaze yawe ahun we pagbe we TikTok ivie we ma we wa fie ga won say what can you do for your sister Irioje I worry wa ya me problem Rosemary okeke we so bobo ma bu wa me problem atwari nwi na mu me hun danu wa bere ban wa ya bere ban hun susu no atwari aga gba ere na gba oko hun danu gba pe ewia ashi ewo ni yeje olodo ewia ama mu ori ma mu e wo me isika me lo ye ke bi ati ye re wili me wili ba o kenimo eke ya nim kenimo owa pape ya le gbe just to spoil my name nuri oko e wo do me na gbe shi e wo wo do destiny child ni je me gui single girl hin wa jun je me open and close wa gbon olodo camera dan igbohun ya mu ebore gebo gbo amufu wa mu ebo na hore wa mu na ma hore ogbuwe wa mu na hore ye gbuwe wa gbe me no biedo wa ya mu mi ni hore mu ebo na hore nuge ebo ni aya we no ya we polori e ugu me kun amuju wa mu banu kan nu ya se wusa gbada wa gbe o ewia no ma gbogbo wan ara swa wa di neke no ba o wa la di Monica ane odo kyon ni sanwo money actually ane odo kyon ni sanwo ona ya make tu e no ko toto paint me wetin I no be for this space ina ga mi nye ya eregbo egwe eregbo fi were for years ememe are Monica attack kere ya egwe oge o wa ri ku gbagbajo wa ma won da wa ma no wa ma ri agito we get am up we we tell me sister Ilore we Monica ma re bo na wa ya maro wa ya Monica e ataso de wa mu gogbu egbere do magi ebo ni oga gbu uga bonu ya huo ekwa oga yiri gbu oga ono na gbu bo sisi na ke mugbe ma gbu ono no we aya yo bugbe mu na gbu almost to gbu almost to gbe iga tuari no ye dokpolo o meme o we yen gigo Asaboro gwan o dogun egun nugun vi o ni gbe agwe ya bi nu de wa kan agbe o iyan wu wa na da zege ya de gbe wi ajimi na sun akwene atuari mi o ma de hun dan no yen me mi na re so oga iwe no la we DPC we bu infinity we baba la ho ki agba ni ayigo wa oni no don't worry ogire beneficiary wa kan to ni azuwa a corporate beggar professional beg we wari opa to ta customary drive we wa no we babi ala oga ere no go ma beg ise we ni beggar wa gbe o that why we give away okoko vista wa lori ari wa gbon uno ma o igo ge la na we give igo ge la o double jebo o lori buruko nwe monica yaje ogun ni nwe yaje ma tuari no be dopolo ke ba pa ya agwalera me kian agbe o e mana e vieri yan la dan be ni cyber tin awu era me no I am my father's daughter me wa so e won we ma agwale picheru we be de no gu ma ke nu vi oje ama we no ragbon wa ma so no bi no maro ugo mi te mo run wa tuari ewia ona gba babegi na egbe gba ba nya ba bino ari yoko e pibo owo we yan je ki ne mo wa je ki no gba yoko wa pota mu gi o ma ti kin abrusu ya le bisifo no ni anari hu odo ni awon no mu we atuari o mu we ria so no ni daro iwa we no gya ya wa o le gu for atuari owo pe ala la fi egbe ge oge ran ba yen ya gwa lo ni awe ni ahin ni mama Benjamin na refera no gun me fiare ni do pe ju e ho be Saturday what so can I take we promoted dido ambassador of dido what is here you can la ri moto nu ya gwa le dido ge na wa ma gbe o wo ba aipo afenu wa lo bi e wa ga kan eju o wa va o wa do wa me news was do bibi wa me jeje erio bi amarere owo ko marere usomoje mesi wan ye wa kedere ade wa gbe o merin boba mu ja kan e de Saturday afian wo pa gwa two can play the game very well two can do it but I te respect gbon eyiwe mi eyiwe wa respect mi marere ni ata me se ta gbo ina we o nka se ya me no mo wala we go to ime ita gele gbu e gbogbe ba gba we a gbu e dini a gbe o me aya enwe me come no depress when on hu depression we go want depress odo wa aru wa 24/7 jugbejogo odo ga digbe yin mi pe ani we kiyen ki rebo sasibe blasiglet o ga digwe Bruce, you are a disgrace to Isame. Why pe mo Bruce? Ni hivi ya Bruce neni wa le nu yi wa un so pin wi wa. Mami o bi ajala no ro re. O da fen. O bi edo po lo ga tuari agbon, no tuari agbon e gagia. Iyan eva agwo mi go tegele wa yin ya polo re fi o ki e ni ajina. The most successful liar, the most successful beggar, the most successful useless husband and wife on those cyberspace. Uwa agbe o agbada lo se mu jo ibe te no kire lo wo bebe dari oba mu ni. Ta fun na aye na wo odo no ma se 60 kilo no mu ya. We no ise ami e gbe wo kan wo ta ime. Nu na. We nu we se. We no be be boba ni jo mata nu gebe gbe. O ga ife me ga ife lene. Awun ye mata. Agene bo aya we polori awo meme aya gwere ada mi amenu wa pon mi ba wa gbe o But when I bruise with just siglet in all that, and why? I say 60 kilo. 60 kilo, I say. Still, my day heady. You know, he say, I can know eji. Atwara ogo ga ya wa o eme o keri wa bian page we koni nito me wa o so dreni ile da fin eri wa pa gbava eri bushmeat ya le le wa mari degile de wa gbe o e fake life igbo e wa gbo o bebe fake life la your mate package igbo ile da fin eri wa pa gbava na je na oga eri wa pa for 1 week una miere to le o si okmo si e kitchen o si e ba gbihun no joko si okmo e kitchen ba prusunoro ga iye na o si gbo ba o ma si eko eki o ma si etine o ma si eko eki igbo abasedo ari oko e di only useless sama no ye Netherlands passport ya we raise liar si Morocco awa be yo awagun passport down o mo do yiro do ma giun e foni abo meme iya ga gbon ya ri ojo ruwe ya bro so wa de ri ekede go ke emi ya fe iya ga gbon ya ri ojo wa ri ya ga eni iya ge se back no agbe o oko dan me mama so wo kun wa le we no ma ri me kenari me you gana ya me ya ha wo kan we ne won yin me ni wo kan we no ma plaster but what can you do? You have to support because ọ̀rọ̀ àpá omi náà mú ọ̀rọ̀ àpá omi náà mú ọmọ nìgbẹ́ ẹgbẹ́ apá ẹgbẹ́ ọ̀rọ̀ ọ̀gùn ìgbéwé get that I'm believing now wọ́n á gbọ́n ìgbé rẹ̀ ọ̀gùn ìgbé sórí mọ́tò community car òwe fi ẹlẹ́gà ọ̀yá wọn méjì èjì òwe dí òwà àwa abẹ́yọ̀ àwa bùn wọn àràgbọ̀n òwà ẹ̀fà gbìnà gbèlégbò à àbọ̀ mẹ́mẹ́. Okpa wa mu ya wege okpa mu ya wege yin ari sen social media yobo wa ari oko iwi kita we have sen yobo social media na ya to is for different people. The young are coming, many people are growing omozuo mama imi o ya tie so those 40 mama iwe Bible school kadera de wa agbe o so bo agbe re yo tu o mu ame no keke no wa no wa fa ko we cabrus wakava ne wo mu ba wai mu da no va me no keke emi boya to le gbe wa no va me no keke emi boya to le gbe ya fi we share we client domiciliary care no we ma wo work on isa we udo emi ya no woman like wa we here we rest o maka so obo obo kan afu o ma mi no ri ni o we bi yan jawo ari oko e oh sabe Deus assim ele quer eu quero isso ye peni sa o e no se ere lo de diabetes o ere wala ama e fi pa ni omo ewe blo mu jo o ri ti a tell them you are a carer e gin aya wo managbo kam ye fun mi nu be fi le wo o ma hon won aka nri oko e trenu we jo ave je run le gba o wa dori ya wo wa bo bo o ari oko e o ga iwe ya ne o ga ri akoleti ni no da fun e no zuwa ni bẹ̀rẹ̀ igwa obo they no da fun we ogbera akin ati e be telephone or ye postcode ni ya or ye ni we ni ya o ma fo o emi o be ya o ya digbo o ri e ra e no ko ya ge ya bi o ye no ya ni se ri fun toilet o wa igwa le toilet o be o wa yon we ri je me ge sweet lisa te yo awe na ti odore nyoka uti katika oge at the worst of all what down oge eya obego pe ano mewe just try get chest to I will love you just try get chest for a reason get where I say ma get chest or you like a white chest ibo bia ashi ewodan agbe o mama mo wo melele we live asage wili umwe wili ora to gbu e keno time we oge ma ta oge ogu wa fa o bet me ma wili ba o eni ma we mu ba me awawa me yo mi ni ma bo wo eku down of a personality Ayo rego e kon. E mata wa mu gbon. E mata mu gbon. O he yo do zobu nu a obolo ri kororo. A ori ya ile dogeri dejo se to ka be gwa ba o. Gbe o agun. Pa ke kogeri la o se. Fora fo e biye. O fora fo e biye. Ehun ne wi amegbe. E wi atan. Ya gbi babo. A ṣe ewo dan. A gba we ban ke lo ike zin gbe. Pe wa zin gbe. A must to gba Monica. Okay la wa be no ka se ma disgrace no mu lele gbe. To ba no si aye oto. O mu pa. Bi ka ma we penalty do no eti bata. Na egbe penalty ama ese ba. Ari oko e. Penalty agbe na. Ebo gba tu ari hun wa gbon. O lo dene bo la. We na tie ese. When it's swagalicious or both tears, or you ever talk, or when you do is plus. Or my walk at the if I boy or if I went or Gualimukba, because he want go here for a yash. He want go hill for a yash. He want any way yashi is a coast house he way. If you had a jory, I could do Tamima. Na ya read Namebo. Well, we are more be jory. We are moving in Hogun. We are able to go up bonny. Agbe o omeme ya mure alagele mie ye doctor or infinity saga mure ebo agbo e mure ebo ya agbo e agbe o aṣawo dan efi area ono rewo wodo okono no ri god afere mi ne go pe ave mi na se bo ni afi aṣawo. Oh, I want wire ban. Ya no zame. Wire esobo. My so my they can't. Because some people were just doing it just to support her. Because I go boy there ne or for and every year ne ya do agwalo zigwe no go ko bunyari. Or abo meme. Supporters club. You guys are right. It's okay. I'm not against it. Me, I have who is supporting me for truth. You are allowed to support, but I have to make an apology. Moonlight on your son on well. It's my awareness. So anytime online on your later. Why do your normal doing in order social media attack? Stand by Yeki, stand for Yeki, and stand with Yeki. It's not my problem. But don't tell me what to do. Where a may show give me an apology. To who? Why? As who? For what? Who is she? They feed me? Who Monica don't help? Don't bath? Monica na Fiana. Lulu breezy ne nosi ne normal rejection ye de u me nwa wa me nwa gegbe amuwe ba aba shawo dan u me nwa yaka respect yourself o yege UK man my yaji so but u respect egbo Monica do wa yaji deki wayaji o ba dogo meji we be gwe me ma ke da fun waya awulo gbuwa ori me ma wu wa ti o abrusi nezu ozo no mo ki ave na ge ebi ati no wu agbe o agbon weje na o kan we fiera le ya kin ko dido le ya kin wa ila lo e fo nebe no ka I mari wa we ma so wari dido we no ge na ga ko wa agbe oluwa je ni masuwa aye ma ni wu ya gbon ani ke ye ki agboro wo kin ai ami wo kan abi live video wa sun oko na iho na egbe ko ene o ene e to kan ahin oze no mo wa we e oro wo kan o ya afie ga ko se e kiama oro wo kan e kiama so desa we no ragbon we no re ago e 100 pound give we me problem we are daddy dog ye won call e oswolu bako iba bola wa wo so lo ba gbere e de Saturday wa mu jakere u wa gbe o imi na to ari omu mi ya must to e boni ya fe na to ari eti me no po won ade ya won ejo e ko won ejo e hu no mu pa no e ti te gwa ite nwa ne do uselu ama Then I was wow, man, no, man, no, you do a talon. Amami not here, oh. Amami. So for that simple reason, ya best way no mukba. So that a dobe or me wana tiasa. Aye boro by or big bewude. Cause I'm a batu a rigbe na ukueno. Me meta patient, you know. I mean, when I balo bogbalo when you may. Uswe atwari. Uswe atwari. Udalo. Ususula wagbe. Anyway, get back on me. Kí a ní máa bọ̀ wẹ̀. Àmì òrè látọ̀ àrí máa ta. Kẹ́ni wo. Kẹ́ni máa wo. Kẹ́ni ẹ o. Kẹ́ni máa ẹ o. Kẹ́ni wá fi ego bọ́nà o. Àtọ̀ àrọ̀ wíwé ya. Mẹ̀mẹ́ mú ẹ̀bọ̀ gàtọ̀ àrí. Àrí ẹ̀kọ́ àmọ̀ ẹ̀wẹ̀ ní zuozu. We better prove evidence. Àwòrì yàrá. Àmọ̀ ẹ̀bọ̀ rẹ̀. Gẹ̀bọ̀ gbú ẹ̀ mú fún wa. Make sure mú ẹ̀bọ̀ nù hàn. So that those iguero yarule buejo azoe wa mwenu won ko ya gwa interpreter ari oko ebo pie ku bawe obono ke ti we wa gbon una fi oji ma de wo kan ti o ma kun ni asalwa ipa ba uno vebu ya gbi babo ya gbe no zagoto agbe o te gbe gun megun Saturday ya buwede wete do kwenye o bet I must to buwe bon be ma gbahwe I must to buwe the most influential liar I must to go to regbe o re bungbe unwe u te wata omo no to re ta mi wo re ta mi o u be je o mi kere kwe u be dolo eta na be mi symptom of e wata bo o Osi no no ana re fian wu agbe o choose less buffalo e wia e mazwoko esku keka no mana gbonju ona si eve wo wa I mean ne vie ori vie progress o ma ori vie e fo mi keka mu ne no feel no ya la ne bi ati application letter nene UK teme application ya bugbe wa ze gbegbe wa legal ya gwale one draw one reference amune abruse baro magwa obo to no we mugie ewia awori abagu I mean no da fun egwa ogbere amoroko uwe na lalo ijeme Dr. Queen Rita come on me adazo kinje no ge wese kakabo wese waya wese begbeme wese je wese wadigwe wese omeme no atwari omeme no omeme twari no be adopolo omeme ebe doge yeruselu no lese agbuku yo akon amufiwa siso wi yen joge we boja UK no omeme to taye personal apartment ari kera ni we ge to omeme fi moto omeme lo ya fun we wo na we oga iwe bi soju a to gbe okay gbe yan na kan atwari ge misplaced priority ibsKP ari yoko omeme obi untan amen okay you no fit believe make us war no majaji no jaji eri mi Jesus jina na keta where Jesus is coming soon am I so Jesus so ma be Jesus right everybody is entitled to their belief but me a burden has just left me like I am relieved Monica na de kejo gan me be affinity mo kan me bo bi mi arisi de no yo go me ina go come e be je na odeno ihiana ona wa do we mi no sono me ona do we mi no sono me be na we wa gbe Monica na wa gun I love you too sweet Lisa thank you very much God bless you na we ta wa gbe ama gbona bono na oni ofo okay alawa wa gbe no mo se ma disgrace ore pa na we ni ka me go bi o kan gbon ogun abodo obi san kere o do esan no so Monica wa mo egbe kan de Saturday arun bo ba yen we Saturday e apetu nu yene we emi nu vione ma kweke nu kolete uke lawa so that why so wa uwe a ru wa ya end we tu titi kwa bokoro iri a uwese iri oni ya uwe Saturday e kan teme wese that is the final day ni a blow emuso ari yohoi omori ya monama plaster obi abrusi we meme karata we na mu ke we mwezi bite gwa khia abrusi ba boga na we pe ole boroko abrusi wa gbogbo eje la ọba lọ mú wẹ́rì ayátúwárí àwọn ìgbàlá túwárí ọlọ́wọ́ akọ sábà ìgbé gbìyànjú ẹ o kátékátó mọ̀ pé àrùn ẹgẹrí òpópó àtúwárí o babalá o láwọn bàbá ìgbé gbọ́ ọmọ ní ni màá yá ọmọ rágbọ̀n yá lọ wù ú dàgbà ẹ̀ fákì ẹgẹrí kò rí ọmọ bẹ́ẹ̀ wẹ́rẹ́ làyé ní yá o babalá ìgbé gbé mọ́ níbẹ̀ ẹni àlè fi àmàgbọ́ wa àtúwárí wa ò wá ò dá. Egbe ya gwali egbe ya abe yeti nwe a ayeti fe enwe no enwe that no chopusha office chopusha ono bo kwa foreko ri o gie mo mi love gie regani eri abere ke Monica we ya gbo egbe just wash out on Saturday udo to I want to buy ti me yin ame yo egbe wo me ne picture video di a video why worry bet gbagun wa gba to ari kwere so that ne bo mi na bu no muri ni ge ke no case wan asin nu ge bo ni guogo wa guogo de sokun money sokun wi ebo kinye ke abrusu ya vibe ni ya na to ari mi am abrusu jere yo same ge no ga won no ya to no ya ro bi amere ro bi jere abrusu ni passport o ge ma ti mu jere webo sao pa ni nenere to se wese ba ari we dojo ọmọ odion bo pe ọmọ la muri ya sa lo bo ale no ge wa gbo ari oko pe oba na ye de ekeke mi ati ice cream na ye de na ya we 50 something years birthday iru wa o wa restaurant wa maju amati atu ari woda fún ẹni ari re iyan ri giyan pari aye woman transfer igo ni ave ya la when we tara na wa we mi na ti e de Saturday ri by hotel restaurant ni e make la video ya we familiarity ya ari re wa jo be Saturday Sunday wa akian asa you are mated o ko itegun but you have to respect people. Man understand? But now when they not can't take respect, you can't tell us, say two can play the game. Yeah, because it takes two to tango. Two can play the game. Just imagine. Very annoying. Why me Saturday ni wa book any? Emi gbe nu mi ani. Infinity no ro aka. Ni wa le gbegbe ra sogbu wala gbe mi yo yen èmi ya ti take ya vi ono wa e èmi ya ti swallow okun ne li e o ya ga mu no ma no wa won ya ga mu no ma no wa won eze gbe Monica wa le ga finiteri awese we ya ajoja ni meni eze gbe Monica so awa gbanu wa eva awa gbanu wa eva mu wa mi ama mu edoto na ya gbeni na ya gbeni rubbish. It's all right. It's okay. Me ya wegbe. Me te Monica. Odori unwe fu awubo me. Monica. Odori unwe fu awubo me. Odori unwe fu awubo me. Atwari. Ye twari agbon ra wetin ya ge ya yo be. Obo ya jala. Obi ajana ro kan den eji. Kan den mayon. Emi mi no jono la igbe. Ora de suto de gbe slifite o ke mujo ewia te na ogu yo horin obe aiwa ja wa be o mare egbodo ni odoge wa twari aya kin karikasho oye oyun ho me ni kan ni loko On your neck butter, where how did I find myself here? Who remember support to be beregeni? Who again or ere whole lot because water. What got that way we may you have to have support to be. I'm a good baby area guinea. That's why very systematic but egui. I'm memory ayo. On memory ayo my boy. Eh? On memory ayo my boy. Support to be. When your husband is ready, you have to support even no log where we work baby. Although you give a dirty advice, stupid advice. Where gaji? Who remember support to baby? Oh, you can work ave cheshe get mamas. Eruwa why waga imagbada yo dafu wa orune wa gbe o wa ke kanari oba muna twari o kan be ki atwa ina sagbada lo dafu bege emi no jo eni ogun ye hete eri owe okwo ga ere o mo hin adede okwa ire o ya mo hin adede o ya ahun ebi ere ke o ta eri o ya ahun infinity saga seke no don't need to say na o ina kin wa do ge be social media o ga so wo wa bure o ga ila don ga ye ti gun wa ni na o ma ne dagbon ike o da fun 2% o ke bo ni a low battery wa do wu wa ewe owo ka so agbugbe yo ba lori ofo si finish ogoluwe ye le pade lo fin ara ire do gbu e ko teru ya anwu e gbe wa gbe o uta when that ya we bible where the yoke is broken he break e le gbe ya o di ka gbe ogun odogbu e ori gbe la so pa owo la lo bi eje di fakoli oni were ori na jayo egbe no ge ra ko e wani ka lo gbe le luga e ke ila ya so luga iko wa se re ya woni ka ogun odogbu e o bo we da re gbe ọmọ náà gbé ní èyí tí ẹ bọ́ ní Monica ọmọ ìnà gbà lọ ya ìmú ẹ̀sùn Monica ẹ̀ gbé go back to Monica bọ́ ẹ̀ dáre gbé ìhà nẹ́gbẹ̀ mọ̀ tàbó bí àwòkọ́ náà ike tó mẹ́rin níwẹ̀ ọgbẹ́ ọ̀rẹ́ rẹ̀ ọwọ́ rí ara gan wọ́n jà wọ́n sọnù support gbẹ̀bẹ̀ màmá rere àmọ́ tó gbà lẹ́nu ọ̀yà mọ̀ èdè dọ́là dìá ẹ̀ ona ya sun afiokodi o ya via bi piere ya juwe ana me eki piere ya wa gwatwari no ya blackmail ya eki piere ya wa gwe no ya blackmail piere asha wa gbasha we mi twari ihewesha on Saturday you will hear from me ike decide to let you be or hang your matter on Saturday you will hear from me. Awabe you awapun awagun ebo ogbu e. Kena kati enu eke ya kenu aya mu ke ya ogbu e. Ke bi egun aya mure kenu ariri mure e ya ga gbu e. Ke ma no su e kian o ebo ni won be gbin abai. O awagbon. Wa itoni le lawa. Wo mu ebo dana le. Mebo, ami me gbugwe. Ari yoko e. Kene kita na rie kita do tamane ebo ehin aweti me ma jo imu egbu e no age nu me to e me mu egbu se wan wiki hwan ni ga pe ni wo vela we gbe bi ere nla we kapi oni ma se no atota nu anegbo ta we do na Asaboro kun ari oko azu ma popo we no ya azu me popo uri oko uri social benefit uri personal benefit oni ma se ti ku so nwi na no be no ji ere be na ya pa gbe ewo wi e nwi ne 4 hours nu ka ya pa ewo we re ta wi ma so e o ikeke ma me wo fi Holland because in Holland ikeke is more or less like a limousine we wani or G-Wagon almost one keke we are to the train station Holland wa ya newa we na to re ikeke is the in fact adazenya he ono keke is a rich person because now wetin the blessing na their culture ikeke ma mi ewu fi unu we do ya ta we 4 hours job do gele awe na mama de black job na mama de kono ya vie mi e Caritas e social welfare e ujo 4 hours o kesu egbe who go to Yahweh mini job. We don't know. Ununu ya diai, ununu ya te. Oh, ununu ya te. No salwari baba. We are notorious element. Agbeo. Tukubere enenya. Nuwejo orioma se ya PK shift. Ihu agiage. Do ari we you can egbe oho. Ibiere yo bog bazana negmiya. Ibiere PK. Ayin mi ni gbe wa egbe shift e do gbo wa. Ibiere gwe shift iri yege. O se ni ana mi eze kwa oh well. No uma ye gbasa loru oru agbe o. Afa for me blanket we gbera ye dia. Eke ikpe de vanu jo. Nuka jobure etu lere ke o. Well, oriegwe we wa ya we ru wa ya we. Ije me yeseti una le. Uma etoni. Ukbonuka wa fi we la UK na. 2021, right? Yes, Erokba Mayari. Mrs. Anure Here Menare. When I revelate our habit 2022, yare mari bet I mokala make. Uri yoko we wemu we luggage yalama wa yoko. Because a passport our very useless passport. Meme no gaya. Abi ayo yasunu unale. Ete okpa ifiani ofofo. Oh yeah, ikawo ma ayawe training. No ya aje madechi training wa zuwa. Ma pere iyoge querita. Omo computer dawo to bo ati e wa ogbon re ogwe usa. Uga mo fon mi lele ya we ni mebe mu lele ya. Ta luga no iro. Won do yewe neme. Adobo mewe kabo copy irewa. Kini gbe igwe wa irewa. Ari oko e odoro ba 60 kilo. E zene na kokiza. Ede bero arwa guy. Honu ki ehwenu wari pompi yonu twa mejo eko ore no. Ne kwe mu fi sabagbon. Goni ga obi ajala. E kun ayon ri ese. You know the shame? You know the work and you chop over 50 pass. Gera do for ma we no. O kan no ma na ma plaster na mo nyimi. O ko ma bo kan no hwe. O we hwe. Eni ko ni bu ere ni ma we gbase. Yan re wo magbon. Eme Morocco ya mu ohun mu dia dawe camera. We Tony. CCTV gari ele we dadore. Agba waya. Kate unero bola bete Monica ka. Ko so egwiano. Ogo iwa worst is. Choose fellow. Don't have to moto ta we no okaya sine. Why see no gbe wipe out I know say na camera with this so I beg this man. Anyway, we not take my time where we know. Eri ege daji ku oga tiensan. Ah, jaja. Monica, I'll for where you're back. You don't know me. Oh, get it. You don't know me. If you know me, wabwa. Udan. Iroyale la home bamebe. Mi a asylum, mi a rejecting e asylum. Mi a mu e pasha wo pagwa to wa gbe o. Oga ma mo ge jo ma gbe o ye na foloko. To tebe no ya abrusu e. Donc pasha wo no mi a reject asylum we. Oh ya son o ya àwọn son abi ele yo obi o ka we be maro obi o give be na ire abi give ma ge ro ya mi be enu gbe o ele beru bi ewu o kera jaye je asalwa o meme tota o pagwa twira mi dota na bomb we ba gbon iri gba gbe yo egini do tu wo bo ulo megbe ulo megbe teti ma gbe ko la wa ya so wa de gbe ladian to God wa de gbe ladian wa ro mero ejiri o wa je ti e bon alagbodo re o oni ma ti police ni ina we me ona wa mi efo na oni ka no do ki oni san wo hun e wa to lo won to yo won ora won mekere ri pu yo won o ko me it's all right o muije maro robi akwere kena we se kena ma se e boga gbo e mo o ma na mo e bo ni re o ga gbo e o ga mu ro ye re gbo e wa o wa mi na we ma se nu tabi live video na o ma no e si we prove evidence wata e so bi azon dari gbe asha wo we ra da oro iri ka e ma sa me yunu te agbe o oro sunwu Nugbeo. Chagodan. Dafon we don't zuani. Nu mukiani. Nu mukiani. You na mono onyi job. We na omone conversion mu ahe. Azua. Wa nyenyo ga isigbo no nyenyo. We na ri onwe. We na to hwen yeze. O we na ri ogwe nyakie. Odo adia e dadi kule. Unwe go sine. O sine. O gari e kule be. O sine. E watas. O sine. O you go moroko ruwe bie kani ho. Nyinye huwe. O gari e kule be. Why we? Just forget about it. Dadi kule. O we no. Tafiye sine. E bani. O e bani gi ewe. O gbagboa. Dadi kule. Unwe ederi e ma be abozwa abidogo. E Monica no ito. Anyway, wagbai. E Monica tami mama na wi yen wan yon e fata yen won. Okori dana ime belly sorry. De ori wo. Won yo bi egbe ege. Ogba me fa ayo yo wa. E no sa ba ya se fa yo egbe. Ari e wan yo. E fata na yen wa de. Mi ga yo go koni be e Germany. You know what fa yen na de le fata gba na gbari. Everybody know I don't drink. Okori de ni ah. E belly se mama ya nwa egbe. O ga bere we, o ga gbo ma bere we. Iba te wa ze gbe lo azu o. Agbero me. O ba gu we ya hi, age me we ni. Wa ri oko e. Expire medication won ni e buya ni ade gbe gbon be re nu won mi na re ku e. Ya ri eye 1000 mg. Agbe o ta. Wia. Wia egbe ru mi o eri. Iwe ora so waya so gbu ora so do afobo duga tadi kule oni no oyo boy ara we nevero kin ke t-shirt no ri jo uruwa obi ayo bora we nevero eto me sanoji awa mu e kan na Asaboro na